Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to crop picture into arrow shape in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to crop image into arrow shape. At first, go to the Insert menu. Select the Shape drop down menu and select the arrow shape. We can see here many arrow. Now I am select the notes arrow and draw the arrow to this sheet. Then select the arrow and go to the shape format menu. Choose shape fill and select the picture option. Then choose picture from file. Now I am select a image and click insert. Now we can see we insert picture into arrow shape. Now we want to crop the image. Go to the picture format menu. Select the crop option and crop the image. Click outside. You can remove the outline. Go to the shape format menu, choose shape outline, make no outline. Now we can see we crop picture into arrow shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.